We had Wyatt White in the house, and he came to visit us at the Bead Gallery and show us how to use these instant pendants. We call them bead kebabs. They're interchangeable wires that you can string on to a necklace, use it as a pendant holder, hang it on a keychain. So they're so awesome. But they come in one length. So he's going to show us how to trim it down. Use a really sturdy cutter because that wire is thick. And now he's taking some memory wire bending pliers. You can use some wrap and tabs, round nose pliers, as long as the jaws are very strong. He says always work on the bottom of the jaws, never on the tips. So that way it'll be nice and strong and sturdy, and you're gonna roll a loop. Now, Wyatt makes it look super easy, and I can tell you that I've done it, and I did need a little bit more strength than he did. So roll it. And what's really nice is that because it's changeable in length as well, when you cut it, you can put on a single bead, you can put on two. You definitely don't have to fill in the whole space. That is the loop that you're going to be running your jump ring through or your chain, so just make sure that you like the size. The other side on that wire has the threading, so that's where you can lock the loop or the finial on place. It's perfect. He cut just enough wire off that he can customize it to fit that heart bead. We love these with Calvin Orr's lampwork handmade glass beads, but you can also put tumbled stones on it, which I'll put a little photo show at the end of this video, and we recommend them highly. If you find that your bead doesn't fill the kebab entirely, use large hole spacers and beads to fill in the gaps, and it'll work perfectly. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe to us, and we will see you soon. Aloha.